Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a absolutely stunning 1972 Chevrolet Nova True SS car. There's a K in the VIN, which indicates it to be a super sport. Killer car, man. Retro modded up. Gorgeous tuxedo black paint with a black vinyl interior in it. Pretty car. It's got about 8,000 miles on a, I'm going to call it a frame up. Of course, these cars don't have frames, but frame up restoration. But I mean, every nut and bolt's new. Killer car. Tremec 5-speed. It's got a good running cammed up 350 cubic inch engine. It's got a Strange 9-inch rear end in it. You can see it's got a beautiful set of Billet Specialty wheels. Those are 8s on the fronts and 10s on the rear. It's got air. Neat car, man. Car's got a great look, sits good. Of course, it's got the cowl hood on there. It's got that low profile stance. I dig it, man. This car hits me right in the face, man. Love the look. Few little things you can kind of nitpick. There's a couple little touch-up marks. Again, the car's got just over 8,000 miles on the resto, so the nice thing is it's broke in. You should, you know, a lot of times when these cars are just fresh restos, you got a lot of shakedown time in them. But this car should be pretty much ready to go. Love the cowl hood. Again, pretty paint. I saw a couple little marks. I'll try to point them out as we kind of go through. Little touch-up marks, but nice. It's got tinted glass in it. As you can see, a couple little marks in there on the dash. Slick paint. Again, tinted glass. You can see it's got, if you look in that back seat there, it's got some heat cracks in that rear seat. Boy, this trim is really nice on the car. I mean, you see flag waving in the paint. It's got slick paint. A little stress crack. Saw a couple little things. A little touch-up mark. Car's straight down the sides. ZR rated rubber all the way around it. I mean, you see the traffic driving down the road. Car's nice underneath. Just a little rub mark there. Beautiful set of billets. Front disc brakes. Good running 350 cubic inch small block in it, 360 horse. It's got the dual snorkel air cleaner on it. Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb. It's got ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes and air, vintage AC unit. Tremec 5-speed manual trans. Nice set of Chevrolet billet valve covers on it. That car is nice, guys. Bunch of new stuff coming, man. I bought probably a dozen cars here in the last 5-6 days, so I got a bunch of new stuff coming. Try to but a lot of it's coming up from the south, so we got it's going to take us a little bit to get it in, but get it knocked out and advertised just as soon as we can. How clean the bottom of those doors are. New carpet, new sill plates. It's a little wear mark in the seat. Those are probably the original bucket seats. Bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst shifter, sports steering wheel. Headliner's nice. It's got the Dakota, what's that, VTX gauge cluster in it, aftermarket Pioneer radio. It's got the vintage AC controls in there. It's, I believe it's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got, you see that, guys, it's just a spider web or something. I don't want you to think there's a scratch or something. I don't know what that was. I mean, you see how nice that paint is. Yeah, actually it looks like somebody's hair. Again, it's got an aftermarket 9-inch forward rear end in it. I believe it's a 355 limited slip. It's got ladder bars. Factory jack with a spare. It's got the wide oval spare in there. Killer little car, man. Got a good sound to it. Car's nice, really nice. Yeah, you see new door rubbers. Gauges are nice and clean. Console's nice. Got the air stick down there. It's cold out. Some of those units won't do that. This car sounds good. Nice little cam to it. Get that down yet. Buzz back to those wheels look good, man. 8605 on your odometer there. See, all your gauges are working. Give it a little rev, Jody. Parking brake does work, guys. The car sounds good, man. Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close nice. Wipers work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Car is tough right there, man. I got in the way. Sorry guys, have a great day.